So about a year ago, I published a video that went on to get 2.5 million views. This video was a educational video. And if you know anything about educational videos on YouTube, you'll know that these videos are very, very hard to get a lot of views on. See, most of the time, these types of videos, they don't get that many views. They don't do that well. They aren't very interesting. They aren't very entertaining, right? If you're a YouTuber, you probably want to make your videos get a lot of views, obviously. And if you're an educational YouTuber, you probably have had a lot of struggles getting a lot of views on those videos, haven't you? Now, I'm going to share something that really helped me in this video to help this video get so many views. And I think it's going to really help you too. So basically this video is called The Easiest Beginner Guide to Roblox Scripting. This video was on my channel named SmartyRBX. It has 70,000 subscribers. And I talked about how to use script on Roblox. And basically I had explained how do you program a game on Roblox? How do you go about scripting? And this is actually kind of a complex topic to put into one 40-minute video. And it's really, really hard to get people to pay attention that long to something that's so complicated when you start, right? So the fact that I was able to get people to pay attention this long, the fact that I was able to get so many people to learn this topic means that this could really change a lot for you if you are trying to get views on YouTube, no matter what you're making, or if you're making entertainment videos, if you're going to make educational videos, anything, this can really help you. So the first thing that I did was I took this topic that was very popular, Roblox scripting, and I had a few title ideas at first, right? I basically had taken the ideas that I had, like, okay, I had how to script on Roblox if you're a builder. It was an idea I had. I was thinking on more ideas, and as I sat and thought, I realized, wait, I need to make this available to everyone. I need to make this able to reach anyone. I need to make this video able to be viewed by anyone who wants to learn scripting, not just builders. So I made the title The Easiest Beginner Guide to Roblox Scripting because this is a very, very wide title. Now the second thing that I did was I sensationalized this. I sensationalized the heck out of it, right? So this is something you can do too. So if you're gonna have a title, I could have titled it easily, How to Script on Roblox 2022, but I didn't. And the reason why is because that doesn't capture attention. Think of the news. Imagine what a news title would look like. If there was a bank robbery, would the news title it Bank Robbery Downtown? Or would they say Breaking News, Bank Robbery? They would make it sound insane. So think about that. The news sensationalizes because this captures attention. And you have to do the same thing with your videos. So you need to think, how would the news sensationalize this video? How would the news make this extreme? So I said, the easiest beginner guide to Roblox scripting. This sensationalizes the video. Now when people see this title, they get excited. They don't just think, oh, whatever, scripting guide, how to script, boring, hard, you know? Now they're thinking, this is the easiest guide, and it has bright colors, and it has scripting for noobs in the thumbnail. It says that in the thumbnail. Very, very, very enticing. It spikes your emotions, and you need this for your YouTube titles. Now, the third thing that I did was I framed this video. So framing is about presenting information. It's about shifting the way that something's perceived. And by changing the way that you frame your content, you change what people focus on. And when you change what people focus on, you change what they feel. If you frame your day as, this was a horrible day, well, of course you're going to focus on the aspects of your day that were just horrible. You spilled your coffee, you couldn't find your car keys, you couldn't find your phone, you failed a math test, who knows, right? You're going to be focusing on those things. But if you frame your day as a good day, well, now you're going to be focusing on, okay, it was a nice weather outside. It's nice weather right now. Or you're going to be focusing on, say, the fact that, you know, you got to take your dog for a walk. Something cool, right? So the frame creates the focus. I learned this from Myron Golden. He's like a millionaire entrepreneur. Super, super good videos on influence and persuasion. These same concepts will get you views. These same concepts in influence and persuasion and psychology are what you need to get views. You don't need to chase the algorithm. You need to understand the psychology and appeal to that. Back to framing. So for this video, I framed it as the easiest beginner guide to Roblox scripting. And by framing it this way, I made them focus on how easy it is. Now, you could say this is exaggerating, maybe. What it really is doing is it's making them focus on how easy it is. Even if it is 1% easier than the other videos out there, still, they're gonna see it as easier as they watch. They're gonna see it as that easy video that they wanted to click on. And they're gonna believe it's easier. They're gonna be focusing on the easier elements because of the frame. Frame creates focus. So, frame your videos properly. Consider framing. This goes throughout your content too, so you might frame it in the thumbnail and the title, right? But you're also gonna need to frame your content throughout it. You're gonna need to frame your content as you go. Framing is also key to storytelling. So when you're making a video, you wanna structure your video in a storytelling structure in some way. What you wanna do is you wanna frame things in your story. You can frame things in your story that happen in an infinite amount of ways. So think about the person who you're making videos for, and then think about the frame to create the focus they need. People don't understand how valuable this is. People don't grasp how useful this can be. And this really did make this video shine a lot more. They're focusing on the easy part. Now, a bonus tip from this video that allowed it to get 2.5 million views. This part is very, very essential. So the reason why is because, all right, bro. Anyways, the reason why is because this is what allowed this video to keep people watching. This is what allowed this video to take all those millions of people who might not even want to learn something as technical as scripting and coding and all this stuff, and they just want something entertaining. It kept them in the video. Do you want to know what it is? Okay. So what I did was, in the start of the video, I made a super relatable, kind of extreme, kind of funny story. And this story really does encapsulate how it's like to start as a new developer on Roblox. So many people find this relatable. And when you can start with a relatable story, start with a funny story, start with something entertaining, you can get a lot more audience retention. Because not only are you going to hook the viewer, not only that, the minutes that you spend explaining a story, rather than all the other stuff in your video, like all these complex concepts, how to script, how to make variables, how to write lines of code, that's boring to most people. You're allowing those people who think that other stuff in your video is boring to have an experience in the start. And now they might stay for a few minutes and watch your video. Do you realize how useful that is for your watch time? Do you realize how much that is? Like, just a few minutes of extra watch time from random people who click on your video, instead of them clicking off because you're getting all advanced right away, they're watching a story. This is going to increase your views. Even if these people were to click off completely later, you're going to increase your views. So because of this, this really allowed it to get 2.5 million views. Without the story, without any of these aspects, without the framing, without the sensationalization, without the right phrasing of the title, without all of these aspects, it would not have done as well. So use this, apply it, and grow your channel. And so subscribe and make sure to click this video right now if you want to learn more secrets to YouTube. And I will see you in the next video. Remember, the future relies on your content. And I don't just say that. I say this in every video because it's true. Consider this. Your videos could literally, if you make the right video for the right person at the right time, it could save a life. There's videos out there that have saved people from that could be your video. So I'm not lying when I say that.